Hey, welcome back to Weeby Kids again. With the RSPB's Big Garden Birdwatch coming up at the end of January, we've been doing all we can to attract birds into our garden. In today's resource, I'm going to show you how you can make these lovely garden bird feeders. So in order to make these bird feeders, we are going to need some materials. We're going to need some oranges, the bigger the better, some coconut oil, a selection of different bird seeds. We've got sunflower hearts, sunflower seeds, and some crushed peanuts. You're also going to need some string, some kebab skewers, a spoon, and a knife. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our orange and we're going to slice it in half. So we're then going to remove the inside of the orange. For that I've got a bowl and a spoon. Now it's important here that we don't rip the orange peel. Until it's left just like this. We're then going to take our 2 kebab skewers, and these are going to work for holding the string on, but also for a perch for the birds as well. We're just going to use the sharp end to just pierce through and go all the way through so that the orange is in the centre. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Like so. So next we're going to take our coconut oil and we're going to add it into a pan. And we're just going to let that melt. We want to add about 1 part coconut oil, 1 part bird seed. We're then going to add our seeds and nuts. So while the oil is still hot, obviously be careful with it, but we're then going to spoon our mixture into our orange. Make sure you get plenty of the oil in too, and just fill it right up to the top. So we're now going to take our twine. I've cut about 1 metre of twine, and I've done that because we're going to tie it right onto the ends, and it will give good clearance around the bird feeder for the birds to come in and land on it. Now I'm going to use our favourite knot, which is the clove hitch, but you can use whichever knot you like, just to attach the string just to the edge of the kebab skewer. I'm going to do that on all 4 of the skewers. You're then going to take all of the 4 parts of the string and just bring them together. And just make sure that it is weighted properly, like so. And then we're just going to tie an overhand knot. So come down, around, through, pull, like so. So you can either put this in the fridge for a while and let it go hard, or with it being so cold at the moment, you can just bring it outside and hang it straight in your garden. I'm going to hang this one up on the tree just over here, just like that. And with our bird table and our bird feeder, we are now all ready for the RSPB's Big Garden Birdwatch at the end of January. So I hope you've enjoyed this resource, and we look forward to seeing you again sometime soon at Weeby Kids. Bye!